So how can you turn down the iPhone alarm sound? Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and that way you will not miss anything important. So inside of your alarm within like the clock application, you have plenty of different things but no volume selection. For that, you need to open up the settings, like the main settings app, and go to the sounds and haptics, where at the top you have the ringtone and alerts slider, and this applies to the iPhone alarm as well, right? So if you want to adjust how loud it is or turn it down the volume, you need to slide it down like this. This will apply across the board for your incoming notifications, phone calls, and also the alarms. On the other hand, you might also want to check out like your bedtime and like this type of like sleep routine, because you can go to the health app and check out the sleep stuff, right? You can see your schedule in here, and part of that, when you go to the edit, you also have the alarm options, and in there is like a different and a separate volume slider for the alarm, right? So if you're using the bedtime and like scheduling feature for your sleep, you can also adjust your volume or loudness of the alarm in here. So there's like a different place, but this is kind of like a special alarm. It's not part of the other alarms, because this one is for the specific sleep setting within health, right? So it's a different thing, but I just wanted to point out that here you have a different volume slider for the alarm. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and upcoming videos like this one in the future. Most definitely let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.